Guys, my name's Zora and today I'll be showing you what I have in my budgie basket and shelf. It's my basket and my shelf. So in my shelf I just got some normal budgie trill seeds which you can get from Safeway and Coles. And then in this pet stock bag I just got some newspaper which I put in their tray for all their empty seeds and droppings. Also in my shelf I have this letter. I got 2 of these free with the cage. The other one's here. I got that free when I brought them. And then in my basket I also got these containers which are here with their food in them and one with their water. I got 8 of these when I brought the cage too. Came free with the cage. Then I also got in my basket, I just took some of this out already, some NutriBlend pellets for small birds. And they're what they look like. Got some in that container there. Right there. But they don't really eat them that much yet. I've just got them about 2, maybe 3 weeks ago. But it does say that it takes them a while to get used to them. Then these are just some millet seeds mixed with sunflower seeds. My nunnu gave these to me because he also breeds birds. He breeds quails, not so much quails, he only has 2 of those, but he breeds cockatiels, rainbow lorikeets, finches, and what's the other one? Sorry. And the other one he breeds is canaries. They're the main ones he breeds. Another thing that I have is a trill mix in dried fruit and nut. And this is for budgies and small birds also. You're supposed to mix it in with their regular diet seed thing. I just give it to them in a plain, like, separate bowl, which Coco is eating right now. And then this is a seed stick that I got free with these seeds, with the Trill Budgie Mix seeds, which you usually always get this for free, but it tells you on the packet, it's like a little sticker. And these are some seeds that I got from Mega Pet Warehouse. They're corn, dried corn, millet seeds, sunflower seeds, and some of these white seeds, but I'm not really sure what they are. Like this. Not really sure what they are, but anyway. Then I got also from Mega Pet Warehouse, I got some millet spray. This is 500 grams of millet spray. Then in my basket I've got some of the normal seed, but I've just mixed some extra shell grit so that they can have extra calcium. Does get up your nails and that's annoying. But yeah, that's that. Then in this container I have millet seeds, French millet seeds, like that. They're also from Mega Pet Warehouse. You get them in a pack like those ones. And that's the same of what I have in this container. That's millet seeds too, French millet. And then in this M&M container I have a mix that I made myself of basically everything that I feed them. So not the pellets, because you're not really supposed to mix that. Well, you are supposed to mix it with their normal food, but I just don't really do that, just to be safe. In here, I used to have the mix I made myself, sorry, but now I've just got the seeds that are in there. I finished the mix, but all I had in that mix was their normal seed, or the one that's in here with the shell grit. Some of these, that mix, their fruit, and some of the oats, which I also have here that I feed them. So what I feed them, so this is what I feed them. In here I have some of their fruit and nut. In here I have some seeds from what Snowy was eating. This is just a block of seeds. And then in here I have their millet seeds, protein pellets, shell grit. So shell grits in here. Then that's the mix of the like corn and sunflower seeds. And then in this back one here is just their oats. And then in here I just have their water, a calcium block, and then this is a calcium and iodine block and mineral block too. So yeah, that's what I feed my birds. And then occasionally, like around once a week, I also put a little like bowl thing here full of fruits that you could see, like my budgie veggie salad mix, which you can see in one of my other videos. And they love that. They go straight to the lettuce and spinach. This is Coco. See if we can get him to say hello. Come on, Coco. Being a bit shy today. Come on, Coco. There we go. Come on. With the little head poking up. I don't want to say hello today. There we go. I'm going to go eat with your friends. They're all hungry now. Anyway, so that's what I keep in my budgie salad mix and in my baskets and shelves. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more of my videos.